Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Jenny's. Come on in. It's time for our daily visit, and we're going to talk about some glitching food items. And you want to know. So, on your way in, please like and share the video. Yes, share with your best friends. They'll love you for it. And of course, if you're not one of our crazy friends, right now, let's fix you up. Look below, hit that red subscription button and the notification bell. Make sure it says all. Voila! Now you're a crazy friend and you won't miss a thing. You won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, and our awesome information that we have here every day. And just hanging out with some really cool folks. All right. Make sure you read the comments always because there's awesome things in the comments. Things that I don't even get to sometimes. So make sure you read the comments. Even go back to the videos that you already watched to check out the comments because you'll find something new there for you. Something that'll help you, I promise. Okay, and after all that, please leave a 3-word comment and watch one of those ads for me because that's what keeps the channel out there in the algorithm so that we can help other people. And if you help me, then you're helping other people. So, together, let's help all these people and let's make them smile. Again, I want you to smile at least once a day. So, right now, take that time and smile for me, guys. Yep, even if you don't feel like it, give it a good old try. And, well, it'll make you feel better, I promise, even if you don't feel like it. Yep, crack that grin. That's right, give in. Thank you very much, guys. All right. And if that don't make you smile, then maybe this will. Let's talk about some glitches. We've still got some earn glitches, and they're food glitches. So we can double up our savings on our deals. And today is, of course, Wednesday, and we do our food deals or food videos normally on Wednesday. And hopefully everybody's enjoying the new layout where I give you a couple of different daily deals. That's any day of the week that you can do these individual deals. That's if you don't have a lot of room, don't have a lot of people, just don't need all that stuff, or, don't want all that stuff. So you've got a couple of different individual daily deals. And then, of course, I give you a Saturday scenario, which includes the daily deals that we just talked about. And then on Friday, I hope to give you a summary video of all of the deals that we tackled during the week. So hopefully that helps those of us who are avid couponers and the new folks. And for those folks that are new, I want to tell you, Dollar General digital coupons are normally one use only. Okay, if we get to use them more than one time, they're glitching. And they do reset and, and make a glitch. Now, the earn coupons that we get, more often than not, are meant for multiple uses. And you can use them usually up to 5 times. Sometimes you have to purchase multiple items just to get the one earn. But most of our earns are meant for multiple items. Now, just like their coupons, they're only supposed to be used if there's not a coupon available. Okay, coupons will be used first if you've got it clipped. If you got both clipped, the coupon will come off first. And if you have additional items that you would get, then your earns would come off. That's the way it's supposed to work. But what is happening right now in your older operating system stores, and you better get on it because they are going to be becoming extinct, is that we're getting our earn and our savings too. Yep, we're getting our cake and we're going to eat it too. So we're going to save money and then we're going to make some money. And then on Saturday, when we combine it all together, we're going to save even more. Okay, we're going to try to do some food glitch deals. We had a few, and they have disappeared. One of the ones I wanted to tell you about is the Captain Crunch. Now, at the beginning of the week, we started out with a $2 coupon off this Captain Crunch 3 for $6. Well, that coupon is now gone. It may have expired because it was expiring soon, but it is no longer available to you. But you do have the 30-cent earns. and they are attaching to up to 5 items. So if you purchase the 3 Captain Crunches, you'll still be getting $1 off, okay? So $1.05. So you still be paying $5 for 3 of them. So still not a bad deal. But the other thing I wanted you to know, now this, where it says, you see where it says earn 30, and it's showing you the boxes, always check on your eligible items. Because if you just go by the pictures, you may be missing out. This cashback, 35 cents on each one, is attaching to the $1.25 little bowls of Captain Crunch. And yes, the coupon that you had for buy 4, get 1 free is also gone. So all we have for the Captain Crunch deal is the 35-cent earn. So if you get these for your kids, or you buy Captain Crunch and you're going to pick them up on the sale, make sure you have these 35-cent earn clipped. Now, this is our first daily deal of the day, and that's the Oreo Space Dunk Chocolate Sandwich Cookies, okay? This is cookies and candy in one. Yeah, why not? And I've even seen these in the grocery store recently, using them to make icing for cupcakes. So you can crush these up and make icing for your cupcakes and make Oreo cupcakes. So double duty, you know, we always talk about double duty, and if it works for that, then it will work for ice cream as well. Crush them up, use them as an ice cream topping. Use them as a cheesecake crust. I don't know how that will go over with the candy, but, you know, throw some Oreos in that cheesecake mix and make your crust out of Oreo cookies. Top it off with a little bit of whipped cream sprinkled with some of this Space Dunk cookie crumble that you can make out of these cookies. So, you know, different things that you can do for these cookies besides eat them by themselves. So 2 of these is going to be $7.50. Now, this is going to glitch because normally they're $5 a piece. And, of course, we have the Nabisco coupon that's going to attach to this, okay? And then you're going to earn $1 off of each one. Now, we don't have any other information on this earn, such as the price and whatnot. That comes out of the store. But you do know you can do it up to 5 times. So if you like this product, you can do it up to 5 times and earn $1 off of each one, okay? And get your $2 off for spending 10/not. So let's talk about these digital glitches. What we're discovering is they're fast taking off our double coupons when they're realizing they're starting to glitch. So we need to start treating these earn glitches just like run deals. So if we've got a double dip on these, then we need to run and get them before they take away one of our parts of our deal. So go ahead and make your daily deal today with your Space Dunk Oreos a run priority. Now, your other daily deal, which is food related but not food, and also, I think, a run priority because it is another glitch. Now, this is our $2 coupon that's going to work with those Oreo cookies. Now, this is our next daily deal, our number 3 any day daily deal. It's not really food, but it's food related. And it's, well, Easter dinner related. Or Easter cookout. So, we're going to pick up this Kingsford charcoal. Now, we got a $2 off, and it's glitching and attaching to the $6 bag and the $7 Matchlight bag. So, either one of these is a great daily deal. And if you pick up the charcoal by itself, it is going to be $4 for the bag of charcoal. Now, that's 3 daily deals, guys. We've got your Reese's eggs for $7.50. $2 is going to come off. Going to make that $5.50, okay? 2 of your Space Dunk Oreo cookies is 2 for $7.50. You're going to be getting $4 off of that in total. So you're going to be getting 2 for $3.50. And you can use those for your Easter desserts. Okay. And then you're going to do your Kingsford charcoal deal any day of the week. That's normally $6, and you'll be paying $4 out of pocket for that. Now, if you were to do all 3 of those deals any day of the week together, you're looking at $21, $6 coming off, and then $2 in earned. You're looking at $13 as your final out of pocket. I think that's still an awesome deal. That's any day of the week. But let's make it better, because if you do this Saturday, and you still have time to do this Saturday for your Easter, you can add some items to it and save an extra $5 plus whatever coupons you have for your items. So, Saturday, you're going to do all 3 of your any day deals, your eggs, your Oreos, your Kingsford charcoal, if you didn't do them by then. And then you're going to go pick up a bag of Lay's Munchie Chips for $3.45 and a Lipton Peach Iced Tea for $2.50. Now, all of these items can be used for your Easter gathering, okay? Every one of these. So you're saving money right there. Now, you're looking at $26.95 for all of these items, and you've got a total of $14 coming off of all these items. And then you've got $2 in earns. So just with your coupons coming off is $12.95 walking out of the store. And after you get your earns, it is $10.95 final out of pocket. Now, of course, if you got spend money, throw it in on that. It's a food deal. Okay? So there's nothing better to use your spend money on but food and diapers. Okay? These are things that we don't get regular coupons for. Or socks, Hanes deals, when we get those Hanes deals. These are things that we don't get regular coupons for that you can use your spend money for, including medications. If you've got allergies, stay tuned. We got a full video coming up on how to save money on all those allergy medications and cold medications, because, we get the spring colds, change of weather colds. So we got one of those coming up. 8 items for $10.95. All of them you can eat. And then you can take this same receipt and submit it to Fetch. If you don't know what Fetch is, it's a rebate app. And it's free, absolutely free. Right here is my referral code. If you click on it, use my code, you'll get money in your account to begin with. But it pays you for almost everything that you purchase, including your gas. Okay? You can take if you got Crazee gas stations, you can take your Crazee receipts, scan those receipts, and get money back. Double duty on that, because you're going to get money back from Crazee's too, if you do points. So, if you don't have Fetch, make sure you sign up for it right here, so you can start saving the next time you go to the store. Matter of fact, you can start saving right now with Fetch. Download it, get yourself signed in, and then look for those receipts that you've done in the last 7 days and scan them, and you'll get paid for those receipts. There you go. It's a good start. And it adds up really quick, and summer's coming. You can use this Fetch money for anything from gas to just going to Walmart and getting camping and cookout stuff. So there you go, guys. More ways to save money that you ever thought of. Okay? And that's what we're here for. To help you save your money, to help you smile, and make you feel a little bit better about the world around you. So love you bunches. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming back. And I hope to see you back next time. Matter of fact, I know I'm going to see you next time. So look forward to it, because we got more money to save, guys. Blessings. I'll see you then.